Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline, continuing with our Christmas in July review episodes. Today we're going to be reviewing 5mm commercial grade net lighting. Alright, so we're continuing our Christmas in July review episodes. We've done a few already, done some unboxing videos already, and today we're going to review net lighting. Now I said before in some other videos, I have never before used net lighting in my animated Christmas light show. But it's time to start. Net lighting has a ton of advantages, as I can get if I can get these up. Net lighting has a ton of advantages in general. They look uniform, they're already set in place. You don't have to worry about stringing the lights around, backing up, seeing which line needs to be adjusted. You can throw them on there and you know they're going to be uniform because they come uniform. So it takes away a lot of labor, it takes away a lot of time. You put it on there and you're done. You don't have to worry about going back and adjusting it ever. Every now and then you'll get a bird on the bush that decides, hey, I want to see if I can make this light string into a nest. They're not gonna carry these away. These are commercial grade. These are from another product from Creative Displays up in the Kansas City area. And they always have a good quality product, and this is no different. The feel of them is very strong. The very hard plastic. You have these 5mm bulbs encased in I think it's a metal wrap. It could be plastic. It's one or the other, but it's quality enough that I can't tell if it's plastic or if it's metal. And I think it actually might be plastic. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. But I have the green, the red, and the blue. One thing I noticed when I was kind of setting this up today is these are directional lighting. And what I mean by that is when I started this, I had all the lights pointed towards you, pointed towards the viewer. When I originally set this up, I had it the other way, and now they're pointed, towards me. So you need to always plan. When you're setting up your Christmas lights, you need to plan for the viewers, for the people in the tour buses, for the people in the streets. And this is no different. You just need to know where you want it to shine the brightest at and just have it either up or down. It's no big deal. The price point on these is a little high. It's $49 for one or two, and it drops down to $46.99 when you order 3 or more. What I do every year is I order them in the off season immediately after Christmas, usually January, February, whether it's Winter Green Corp or Christmas Lights Inc. or Creative Displays. They all have 25 to 40% off sales immediately after the Christmas season, and that's the time to stock up. Right now, a lot of them are running 20% off in July, 20% off sales. And really, if you're an animator, Christmas light animator, if you don't have your ducks in a row, really by right about now, you're behind a little bit. We usually start hanging lights in September. Did that last year. I think we started the second week of September. Probably pushed that up to the first week of September this year, just because we're adding a lot more things to our show this year. We're gonna add some chasers and some other things. Now we are a string light show, which is why we do string lights. And for string light animators, it does take a lot longer than a pixel animator, because you can go to X-Lights, Lightorama, and you can already get programs that are already pre-made, and you can just punch them right in. With string lighting, if there's a program out there that I can do that for, by all means let me know in the comments and I'll take a look at it, because the average song takes me anywhere from 18 to 30 hours to program per song for string lighting. So it is a labor of love. I enjoy the heck out of it, but I digress. It's July, so if you're looking into getting into animation, whether it be Lightorama or a different company, we use Revival control systems ourselves. But yeah, look what works best for you and get in it, because it's fun. It can be addictive, but it's very fun. As for these, are they worth it? I think they are, and I think they are for really 2 reasons. Number 1, it's a quality product, and number 2, I suspect this will be the last net lighting I ever buy. Now I bought 12. I bought 3 greens, blues, whites, and reds. And I really wish I'll probably buy 3 more warm whites, because I think the warm whites would probably look better in contrast with the red, the green, and the blue. This is a brilliant white light, like I showed you before. Let me plug it back in here again. And I'm not certain if it's going to pop on the camera like it does here in person, but it does. I mean, this is a perfect cool white color. This is the vibrance that you want in a cool white. And same with red, green, and blue. Hopefully it translates to camera, and if it doesn't, then I apologize. I should have bought a better camera. I don't know. But anyway, is it worth it? Yes. Is it pricey? A little bit. Get them on sale though, and you can stock up. But you can go to your box stores, buy a $20 string of net lightings. They're 4x6, and you can replace it every few years because a bulb's going to go out or something. I suspect this will be the last one I ever buy, and I imagine I'll keep doing my animated lights until I'm physically unable to do so. So at least another, knock on wood, 40 years. I don't know. Let's see. Each one of these net lightings is 100. I'm reading off the computer real quick. 150 5mm LED. Lights in the net lighting, the commercial grade, 4x6 spacing. You can connect up to 13 strings. So if you have a large bush area, hedgerow, if you will, then you can connect up to 13 each of these on one line. And bulb life span rated at unknown hours. I've never seen that, but on the review it says, and I quote, bulb life rated for ? Hours. So they don't know they last that long. That's pretty neat. So 50 years, I'm gonna call it 50 years. And if I'm wrong, let me know in 50 years. Hopefully I'm still around. So are they worth it? Yes, get them on sale. For those of you like me who don't have an unlimited budget, but because it's about $500 for everything that I got here today. So yeah, I recommend them. I'll throw some video up at the end of this of what these look like at night. My bush is a little too cumbersome right now because it's July and it's full of leaves, so it's a little bit cumbersome to put these on to where they look sharp enough. So, but I will give you some night video of that. Might even have it up right now. I don't. If it's not up right now, then it's going to be up after I'm done talking. So we're going to continue our Christmas in July review episodes and testing episodes. We haven't even gotten to the testing episodes yet for our Christmas in July specials. We have a couple more review shows coming up, and then we'll get into the testings. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Charlie. Christmas on Crestline. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.